So here we are going to be about directives versus components, the main differences between them. So directives versus components. Directives are annotated as a directive and components are at component. Components are the basic building blocks of directives views. So component is derived from directives. But directives have their own UI. That is the main difference between these two. And basically, markup, metadata, and class style sheets, everything will be combined in together in the components. But directives just add behaviors to this DOM element for these components. That's the main difference between them. Thanks, team. Thanks for the support. Wish you all the very best.